Ever wondered how much is it going to cost to get my furnace repaired? Well, if you live in Canton, Mass, you're going to want to stay tuned to find out. Hey, I'm Jonathan, founder and owner of Green Energy Mechanical right here in Canton. And one of the things I want to talk about, especially as we start to transition to the winter time, the fall and winter, is how much should you expect to repair your gas furnace? So very common are smaller issues, especially if the unit's not super old. You're looking at maybe like a cracked igniter or a flame sensor or some type of switch or something, and that'll usually run you $300-400. If you have a more serious issue like a motor breaks, or perhaps you have a circuit board that breaks, it could be $800 to $1,200 for a repair, in that range. And then in some cases, let's say you have a cracked heat exchanger, it could really range depending on how big your system is and the model you have, but it could be anywhere between $2,000 to $4,000. And in those cases, depending on how expensive it is, most homeowners are just usually looking to put that money into a more permanent solution, and also figuring out why it actually cracked. Is it just a really old system, or is there undersized ducts or something like that? But that's usually the most common range you'd look at. I would say would probably be anywhere between that $3,000 to $1,200 range. Again, if it's above that and the system's older, you're probably going to want to start looking at more permanent solutions. But if you're curious and you're not sure, give us a call. Especially now, we have really great rates for heating tune-ups where we can go through the system and get it checked out and get it fixed and ready for the winter before it becomes an issue. Thanks for watching, and as always, like and subscribe.